Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making these delicious pumpkin biscuits and a pumpkin latte. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below. First of all, you're gonna need pumpkin puree. You can buy it at the store, but I decided to make it myself. You're gonna remove the seeds from the pumpkin, slice it, peel it, cube it, and put it in a saucepan. You will then add some water and cook at medium heat. You will need to stir it from time to time as it softens. And once it's almost done, you can mash the solid bits against the pan. Let it cool down and add it to a bowl. Add some almond butter, and mix well. Then add sugar, baking powder, baking soda and the spices. Give it a good mix. And then add the flour. Combine until you have a dough. Once it's ready, wet your hands, form little balls and put them on a baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees until they're golden. And here they are. They're perfect for a lazy Sunday afternoon watching movies on the sofa. Now we're making the coffee. Prepare the coffee. I am using espresso machine. You can use any coffee machine, depending on how strong you like your coffee. And when the coffee is almost ready, you can warm up some milk and add some vanilla extract. The amount of milk depends on how big your mug is and how milky you like your coffee. Here I'm using soya milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. Add a tablespoon of pumpkin puree in a mug. Then add the spices and the sugar. And then the coffee. Make sure you mix very well before adding the milk. Once the milk is hot, you can froth it with this device, or you can just add it as it is. Look at how creamy it is. Pour the milk. Ready. Now you can enjoy your favorite movie on the sofa whilst it rains outside. And for a special touch, add cinnamon on top. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Bye bye!